Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to share others' story on Facebook. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Facebook on your device. Here you can see various stories by your followers, but right now I do not want to use these stories for the example purpose, so what I will do, I will open these stories from clothing brands. Now when you choose the story that you want to share, tap on three dots. Then copy link to share this story. Now exit the Facebook app and open Messenger. Send a link to the person with whom you want to share story. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.